Shoot that ball! 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Team blue and team white, hand up. Hand up and shake your hands. Then, hands down. Relax ko muna ulit. Sabay-sabay ulit tayo magbibilang. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay! Congratulations! Team 1! Okay, tingnan na po ulit tayo one time. One time po ulit tayo one time. Everybody arms forward. Okay, may prize kami para sa inyong lahat. Huwag mo na kayong alas.
Lahat naman pala sila eh.
So, ano lang?
Okay, one line. Okay, team blue. Okay, hi team blue, hi. Okay, nanalo ang team white. Bibigyan natin ng fact. Team, very good. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, hi white team, hi. Congratulations, white team. So dahil binigay naman po ng team blue ang kanilang best, bibigyan din natin sila syempre ng props. Bibigyan lang natin sila ng 3 gloves with good job. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo din. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, good job! Okay, babalik na po tayo sa ating event area para po sa inyong prize. Okay, let's do it. Chaga, chaga. Chaga, chaga, chut, chut. Chaga, chaga, chut, chut. Chaga, chaga, chut, chut.
Yung train.
So, everyone. Okay, reminders ng po ulit sa pagkakyat at pagbaba ng aming ballboy area. Okay, habang papunta na po tayo dito, yung mga parents and guardians po ng kids na kasali po sa aming event, dito na po tayo ulit sa event area para po mabibigyan niyo po ng mas maayos ang inyong kids. Okay, pasok tayo dito. Okay. Okay na po pwede tayo maghiwa-hiwalay. Kaya mag-hiwalay? Or bago ko ibigay sa inyo ang surprise namin, gusto ko muna po ulit tayo mag-dance. Gusto niyo ba ulit mag-dance? Yes, kung gusto niyo ulit mag-dance, everybody hands up. Shake your hands. And slowly down.